Well, in every design there is data. You know, a circle, you can describe it very easily by just defining the center and the radius. So any information can be broken down to data, and vice versa. So data can always also turn into visuals. We're not really doing data visualizations here. It's more a spatial installation that uses large-scale graphics. We're also not really solving anything here. I have the feeling that we almost complicate things and escalate things because of the sheer scale of the space. You know, it was just seemed to be a great opportunity to really try to map out what big data is, and also just to describe applications beyond the, you know, let's say espionage and security and defense industries, and that's the most talked about subject at the moment. But the really exciting things, and that's an exciting subject as such, but the really exciting things are actually in science, in, you know, medical science and geology, geography, you know, everything that's happening at CERN, at the Large Hadron Collider, is entirely based on big data. So we felt it's a great opportunity to grab this and show fantastic data sets that also happen to be quite beautiful in the end. Yeah, data can be beautiful, but if you think about images representing big data, it's quite limited actually. You know, you always see the same sort of like black-green Hercules graphics, 88 kind of idea of data. It's very much informed by the matrix, you know. But you know, the world has evolved, and we have just really exciting data sets and very, very exciting ways to visualize them. And none of this would have been possible a couple of years ago. We couldn't even have written out files that massive. We couldn't, yeah, we wouldn't have had the storage, we wouldn't have had the processing power. And now we have that. So it was actually quite fun doing these things. You know, being able to just put 140,000 3D vectors into an OpenGL space and then outputting a PDF and printing it with a printer that actually prints these banners 5 meters wide. It's a giant printer. They pour buckets of paint into it. It's really it's extreme. Well, we're not trying to do art. We're you know, we're designers, so we mostly are interested in creating like an experiential space that provides a great setting for these 50 young entrepreneurs to present their ideas, and that's the mission. That's the main mission. So we mostly design for people, and we really design for these 50 people and 50 ideas, and just try to build a space that will you know, allow them to meet lots of potential investors, clients, and members of the press, and also have a good bit of fun. And that's where there's also substantial gastronomical programming and a beer bar.